Here's how to add Soundboard to Discord server. First, open the Discord app and select your Discord server from the left-hand side. Then, click on the server name at the top and select Server Settings. From the left-hand menu, click on Soundboard, and then select Upload Sound. You will see windows like this. First, click Browse and choose the sound effect you want to upload. You can then trim the sound if it's too long. Then give it a name. Choose an emoji and adjust the volume according to your preferences. Now, if the upload button is still grayed out, it means your sound is too long. Simply trim the sound to meet Discord's requirements, and once it's short enough, the upload button will become available. Just click on it and your sound will be uploaded to the soundboard. Now, to use your new sound, go back to your server and join a voice channel. After that, click Open Soundboard, and you'll see your custom sound listed there. Simply click on it to play the sound for everyone in the voice channel. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.